Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas Pro 16 tutorial on a Hollywood intro effect. I seen it in the movie 10 by 10. Before the opening sequence, before the movie started, it was all black, and then slowly opened up, revealing the movie. And we're going to create a Hollywood effect to the movie sequence as well. It gives it a real cool effect. So I'll show you how it's done. So here we have a clip of soldiers running. So let's go to Event Pattern Crop. Make sure Size About Center is not checked, and Lock Aspect Ratio is not checked. So move freely, we want move in Y only. Drag this down until it all turns black. Drag my cursor right about here. Let's drag this up. I'll keep cinematic bars on there to give it a Hollywood film effect. I'm just going to drag the video down a bit. So you play it back, something like this. I just have to add one more thing and we're done here. So it gives a real cool looking effect for introduction to the film. So let's go to video effects. Select brightness and contrast. To the default one to the track. Now let's bump up the contrast up. And the brightness just a bit. A little more in the contrast. Yeah, that's good. So play this back now. So it gives a real cool introduction to your video. So that's all you have to do to create that opening sequence I was talking about. If you get a chance to watch that movie 10 by 10, it's actually a real good movie. So anyways, we're all done. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find it helpful, I have lots of others to choose from. And I guarantee if you browse my videos, you will find one in there you will like. So once again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.